Hello cruise fans and welcome to today's show. So, a bit of a late one today. We normally make these videos about 2 weeks prior to going on a cruise, but we've only got a few days to go and we're going on the Marella Explorer. And where are we off to?
We're off to the Mediterranean and around there.
We're off to Tenerife.
That's the Mediterranean, isn't it? Just off the Mediterranean anyway.
So we're going to Tenerife. It's only a short one, 4 days, a little bit of a treat for us over Christmas time. I want you to follow along.
Yeah.
We're just walking outside because we try and make these professional as we can, and we argue a lot before we do it. And there's like a big fire engine or something outside flashing, but never mind. So yeah, we're just doing a sneaky little video tonight to say hello to us. I'm Johnny, this is Grandad George.
Yep.
We cruise my father, honest cruise reviews. We love Marella Cruises. We're going to Marella Explorer 2.
And we certainly look forward to meeting you and just come and say hello to us.
Yeah, so if you see us on board, please come and say hello. We're always happy to talk to people. That's what it's all about for cruising.
Yeah.
Making friends, happy company.
Yeah.
So why would you want to click like and subscribe for this? Well, if you're interested in Marella Cruises, we'll show you all about what happens on the Marella Cruise.
Or any cruises.
Yeah, and we'll also show you the Marella Explorer 2, what it has to offer.
Yep.
And we'll also show you a mini suite and possibly
a super suite.
The best mini suite on the ship.
Yeah, we'll do our best.
It might not be, and I'll explain more once we're on board. So, I'd like to thank you for watching this little short video.
Yep, thank you very much.
And we'll see you again soon, guys.
Yep.
So don't forget, if you like Marella Cruises, if you like cruising in general, click like and subscribe. If you see us on board, please come over and say hello. We have lots of knowledge and we have lots of fun. If you're a solo traveller and you've got no friends, or even with a partner or anything, you want to come and say hello, wherever.
Yeah, come and sit with us. We'll have fun.
More the merrier. More the merrier.
Exactly.
So, thank you for watching and we'll see you again soon, shipmates. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.